So for table 1, for titration of vinegar with sodium hydroxide, we used 3 samples of white vinegar and we mixed in sodium hydroxide at varying amounts until equilibrium was reached, as evidenced by the color change initiated by the other chemical that starts with a P. According to the table, we took the initial sodium hydroxide volume that was in the syringe. We deducted the final amount, and that gave us the amount delivered. After that, we calculated the moles for each separate sample of the sodium hydroxide, and then used all of the previous information to come up with the moles of the acetic acid in each sample, as well as the mass of the acetic acid in each sample. Of course, using that information, we came up with the percentage of the acetic acid in the vinegar sample. According to what I read, it was supposed to be 4% or above. Now, this may be just my math is off. I don't know. But for the average calculated percent mass of acetic acid, I only came up with 1.9%. Again, that might just be due to my math or error in the experiment itself. Not quite sure. But each one of the vinegar samples, I did come up with a slightly different mass amount, and I did come up with a volume of sodium hydroxide that was slightly different from the previous two, or from any. They were all different from each other. But they did seem to all come out to be approximately the same. There was just a slight variation in them. But yeah, that was data table 1 for activity 1 on lab 6.